Hi, welcome to ArtiGenius, your destination to learn music, art, and more from amazing tutors. In this video, let's walk through a complete student journey on ArtiGenius so you can see just how easy and exciting it is to start learning with us. Once you've logged in, look for the profile icon on the top right. Click that, then select Dashboard. And just like that, you're inside your personal student dashboard. This is your main learning control room. Right at the top, you'll see quick stats, the number of ongoing courses you're learning, how many classes you've attended, the total hours you've spent learning below. There's a section called Upcoming Classes. Here, you'll find all the details of your enrolled classes, see the dates, times, and never miss a session again. On the left, click My Courses. Here's where you see every class you've enrolled in. For example, let's say you bought the beginner-level Hindustani classical vocal course with Nilesh Pandey Sir. You'll find the course name, your schedule, and a Details button. If you want to know more about your course, just click Details. You get to see complete course information, timing, pricing, level, and all instructions. Since you already enrolled, it says Already Booked. And just below, there's a super helpful Chat with Tutor button. So if you have any doubt or question, you can directly message your tutor in real time. The chat window is neat and powerful. You can send messages, share media files or voice notes, even send documents if you need to. This makes your learning transparent and interactive. You and your tutor stay connected, always. Back in your course view, you'll also see options to write a review for your tutor, share your experience, and help others choose great teachers. And if you feel like exploring more, use the Add More Classes option right beside the reviews to sign up for new courses instantly. Going down the sidebar, select Demo Classes. If you've booked a demo class with a new tutor, all upcoming and past demos will be shown here. It's the perfect way to explore different tutors before enrolling. Next, click My Classes. Here you'll get a clear list of all the sessions you've booked, with dates, times, and the course name. There's a calendar on the right, and color codes to tell you which days you have regular classes, demo classes, or both. When your class time arrives, the Join link will be active, making it super simple to attend right from your dashboard. And if you ever need to skip a class, use the Cancel Class option, completely hassle-free. Next, click on My Orders. Here you'll find a record of all the courses you've enrolled in, a neat list with the course name, order date, and amount paid. Next, let's move to the Wishlist section. See a course you love but want to join later? Just add it to your wishlist. When you click this option, you get a dedicated page to easily view and manage all the courses you've saved for future learning. After Wishlist, let's check out the Chats feature. Select Chat from the menu to view all your ongoing and previous conversations with tutors. Whether you need to follow up on a lesson or revisit shared materials, all your messages with your teachers are just a click away, keeping support and communication seamless. Moving on, the next exciting feature is Refer and Earn. Here's your chance to invite friends, tutors, or fellow students to ArtiGenius and earn instant rewards in the process. Simply tap Generate Referral, and you'll get a unique link that you can share to grow the community and benefit together. Now let's explore how easy it is to manage scheduling on ArtiGenius. Click Reschedule Demo Booking if you ever need to shift a booked demo. You'll see all your upcoming demo classes and can request new timings if needed. The Rescheduled Requests by Tutor section will show any schedule changes proposed by your tutor, keeping everyone informed and on the same page. With Alternate Requests by Me, you can track the changes you have asked for. Enroll Reschedule Request Made by Tutor displays any tutor-initiated changes for your enrolled classes. Use Create Enroll Reschedule Request if you need to reschedule one of your ongoing classes. You'll view all available alternate slots and send your new preference directly to your tutor, all from one place. And that brings us to the end of the Student Dashboard tour. With ArtiGenius, your creative journey is simple, flexible, and guided at every step. From joining new courses to tracking progress, managing your classes, and chatting with tutors, everything's just a few clicks away. Ready to unlock your talent? Start learning, grow with expert tutors, and let your creativity shine with ArtiGenius.